The key to longevity. Good afternoon, dear viewer. The most useful and interesting information just for you. I wish you all goodness, happiness, love and a peaceful sky. So let's go. 6 doctors' tips to help you stay young. In total, doctors identified several typical mistakes that many people make when it comes to longevity and premature aging. Although doctors know much more about health than ordinary mortals, they are also people and sometimes do not take care of themselves the way they should. In total, doctors identified several typical mistakes that many people make when it comes to longevity and premature aging. American health professionals talked about their habits that allow you to stay in good shape longer. Pets. Having a pet at home is a round-the-clock form of therapy that helps to get rid of stress, said Dr. Carmen Nichols. Shortly after I got married, we adopted a dog. After a particularly hard day at work, I sit on the couch and watch TV while petting it, and I realize how relaxing it is for me, she added. Trips to doctors. To live longer, doctors go to doctors, Nichols stressed. She called the widespread belief that doctors can take care of their own health erroneous. According to her, it is always wise to get an objective opinion of a colleague, writes Eat This, Not That. Release endorphins. Dr. Nathan Rock admitted that physical exercise is an important part of his daily routine. With their help, he can control stress and heart function. As physicians, we know that exercise has positive benefits in many ways, including promoting excellent cardiovascular health and good mood through the release of endorphins, he said. The doctor noted that he does yoga in the morning, and in the evenings he runs or trains in the gym with weights. Enough sleep. Dr. Monique May said that her main secret to an active life is getting enough sleep. She recalled that night rest is crucial for health and it is important to give it at least 700 a day. Breakfast. According to most doctors, breakfast is the main key to longevity. That is why doctors advise never to skip it and pay attention to what is on the plate. As Professor Morton Tovell explained, those who always eat breakfast live longer and maintain a healthy weight more easily. It is best to start the day with fruit and protein. The latter is especially useful because it provides a feeling of satiety and helps burn excess energy. Beef. Although it is a pure animal protein, some types of meat are best excluded from the diet. These include, in particular, pork and lamb. Proper nutrition is key, and I recently added more fruits and vegetables to my diet by cutting back on meat, May said. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave your comments. I wish you all love, happiness, kindness and a peaceful sky.